Before we begin our journey today, a small request from all of us at Wander Orbit. If you love exploring breathtaking destinations and hidden gems across India and beyond, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue bringing you more real-life travel experiences, stories, and stunning places like Doki in Meghalaya. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Nestled deep within the East Khasi Hills of Meghalaya, surrounded by the emerald folds of nature, lies a small border town called Doki. Known for its transparent river, its peaceful charm, and its closeness to the Indo-Bangladesh border, Doki stands as one of Northeast India's most enchanting destinations. Our journey today begins from Molenong, a village often celebrated as the cleanest in all of Asia, and leads us through winding roads, misty hills, and quiet forests until we reach the breathtaking Umngot River, the pride of Doki. As we begin the drive from Molenong, the morning air feels crisp, touched by the scent of fresh pine and damp soil. The sunlight dances through the thick canopy above, scattering golden patches across the road. Tiny streams run along the slopes, whispering songs of the forest, while distant waterfalls sparkle like silver threads against the lush hillsides. The road bends gracefully, revealing glimpses of villages clinging to ridges, bamboo houses surrounded by banana trees, and children waving with bright smiles. Every turn feels like an unfolding secret. After nearly 2 hours of scenic travel, the valley opens up, and the first glimmer of the Umngot River appears, shimmering like a long ribbon of glass stretching quietly through the land. As we descend closer, the magic of Doki begins to reveal itself. This is no ordinary river. This water is so pure, so unbelievably clear, that the boats floating on its surface appear to be suspended in midair. The reflection of sunlight on the river creates the astonishing illusion that every vessel is gliding above an invisible platform of light. This surreal sight is the signature of Doki, captivating thousands of visitors each year who come to witness what feels like nature's own optical illusion. Here, time feels slower. The river flows gently, its surface unbroken, revealing pebbles, moss, and even the faint movement of fish beneath. As you step into a small wooden boat, guided by a local Khasi boatman, you realize that every ripple tells a story. The oar dips softly, making ripples that seem suspended in crystal, and as you glide forward, the world turns silent except for the soft rhythm of water against wood. The air smells fresh and earthy, filled with the sound of distant birds and rustling leaves. Beneath you, the riverbed lies visible like a polished mirror, and even your own shadow looks as though it is floating under your feet. The Umngot River is more than a tourist attraction, it is a lifeline for Doki's people. The Khasi and Jantia communities living along its banks depend on it for fishing, transport, and small-scale trade. The clarity of this river is preserved through immense local effort. The residents of Doki take pride in protecting their sacred waters, ensuring no waste or pollution ever clouds its purity. Their quiet guardianship keeps the magic of Doki alive for everyone who visits. Spanning across the river, you will see the historic Doki Suspension Bridge, built during British rule in 1932. Its slender structure of steel cables and wooden planks hangs gracefully between green cliffs, gently swaying as people and vehicles cross. Standing here offers a breathtaking view of the valley. On one side, the calm blue-green waters of Umngot, and on the other, fields stretching towards Bangladesh. When the wind blows softly, the sound of water echoes faintly, making it feel as though the valley itself is breathing. Just beyond the riverbank lies a humble local market, small, colorful, and full of life. Here, Khasi women in vibrant shawls sell freshly picked pineapples, oranges, and wild berries. The air fills with the aroma of grilled corn, bamboo shoot spice, and local tea brewing in tin pots. Handicraft stalls display beautiful woven baskets, bamboo flutes, carved spoons, and handmade jewelry, each piece reflecting the artistry of Meghalaya's hill tribes. In these small markets, tradition and livelihood meet, and even a short conversation with a local vendor can turn into a warm exchange of culture and laughter. A few steps ahead, the Indo-Bangladesh border quietly marks the end of Indian territory. Here, the flags of both nations flutter side by side, and soldiers from each side stand in quiet vigilance. Despite being an international border, Doki's atmosphere remains peaceful and friendly. On the opposite bank, you can spot Bangladeshi farmers tending to green fields and small villages nestled along the hills. Sometimes, children from both sides wave across the river, bridging invisible boundaries through simple smiles. This closeness, this easy harmony between two nations, gives Doki a unique identity. It's not just a town at the border, it's a crossroad of cultures, languages, and shared humanity. During winter, between November and February, the Umngot River reaches its clearest form. The sunlight filters down to the riverbed, and every stone below shines like a gemstone. For photographers and nature lovers, this is the ideal season when even the smallest leaf floating on the water appears perfectly reflected beneath. In summer, the color shifts into a deeper blue, and monsoon turns the valley into a misty, cloud-laced wonderland. Every season gives Doki a new personality, yet its soul remains ever calm, ever clear. Adventure seekers often find Doki a perfect base for exploration. Kayaking, ziplining, and cliffside treks attract travelers who wish to see nature from a closer perspective. Hidden nearby are limestone caves known to sparkle with natural crystals, while secret trails lead to little waterfalls tucked behind thick bamboo forests. The sound of flowing water guides the way, sometimes faint, sometimes roaring, but always leading to another marvel of Meghalaya's landscape. Walking along the river banks during sunset is a dreamlike experience. The sky turns shades of gold, pink, and deep violet, while the waters mirror the fading light like liquid glass. The distant hills of Bangladesh cast long shadows, and the first stars begin to twinkle above. You may spot a fisherman throwing his net, its silver curve freezing for a moment in the fading sun, a perfect portrait of life and stillness intertwined. In these quiet minutes, Doki feels untouched, eternal. As night falls, a serene hush takes over the valley. The hum of motorboats fades, replaced by the gentle rhythm of the river and the chirping of night insects. From the small settlement nearby, you might hear laughter rising from the tea stalls where locals gather to relax after the day's work. The smell of roasted peanuts and spice mingles with the cool mountain breeze. Far across the border, you can see tiny specks of light in Bangladeshi villages glowing faintly, reminders that life continues in similar rhythms just across the invisible line. For travelers, Doki offers more than a scenic visit. It offers perspective on how nature thrives when respected, how communities endure in harmony, and how borders, though lines on a map, cannot divide the beauty that flows freely between them. Visitors often carry home a deep sense of peace after seeing the Umngot River floating in stillness, its waters symbolizing clarity, balance, and coexistence. If you plan your own journey here, start early from Molenong to catch the mid-morning sunlight reflecting off the river. Carry a camera to capture the surreal view, but remember to also put it down at times and simply feel the moment, the cool breeze, the distant laughter of boatmen, the sparkle of light on clear water. Respect the environment by avoiding plastics and litter, as Doki's greatest treasure is its purity. And as you leave, take only memories and leave only footprints. Doki, in many ways, is a reflection of nature's perfection, a place where earth and sky meet so gracefully that even the boats appear to float above both. It is the jewel of Meghalaya, a melody played in the language of rivers, hills, and smiles, a place that reminds us that stillness can sometimes speak the loudest of all. Before we wrap up this journey, if this story from Doki touched your heart, do show your love by subscribing to Wander Orbit, liking this video, and sharing it with your friends and family. Every gesture of yours inspires us to continue exploring the world's hidden corners and bringing you closer to nature's beauty. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep wandering with Wander Orbit, where every journey tells a story.